finding an electric scooter that's both budget-friendly and built to support heavier riders. 220, 300 plus lbs. Isn't easy, but it's possible. Most budget models aren't designed with heavier adults in mind, leading to weak motors, poor range, or just straight-up frame issues. But after digging through countless posts on our /electric scooters and comparing specs, reviews, and real rider experiences, I've put together a list of scooters that are: Number 1. Gautrax GXL V2 Electric Scooter. The Gautrax GXL electric scooter is beginner-friendly, has a decent top speed, a sturdily built, and is well-rounded for maximum rider comfort. In addition to that, the scooter is reliable, durable, and inexpensive. This means that you could purchase it and use it for extended periods without having to worry about any mechanical or performance issues. The Gautrax GXL V2 outperforms its price tag, placing it among the best-selling e-scooters currently on the market. It has a 15.5 miles per hour top speed and an 8.5 tire size. In my latest research about best-selling scooters on Amazon, the Gautrax GXL V2 took the number 1 spot. Number 2. Segway 9Bot E2 Plus Electric Scooter. The Segway 9Bot E2 Plus has a seamless design that displays superior craftsmanship. Its body is manufactured with aerospace-grade aluminum alloy with fine powder body paint that provides great anti-corrosion properties and a smooth surface texture. In addition to that, it has black body paint with a dash of orange that gives it a confident look. The scooter has a 12.4-mile range with a 12.4 miles per hour top speed and an ultralight 24.3-pound body weight. The e-scooter also has a flat-free elastic tire with a new inner support tire tech that makes the ride more comfortable. Purchasing the Segway 9Bot e-scooter assures you of extra stability and portability. Number 3. EatCop Electric Scooter. EatCop Electric Scooter equipped with a top-notch 36V 10.5 Ah battery. Our electric scooter boasts an impressive range of up to 30 miles on a single full charge. This ensures you'll have ample power for your daily commute or leisurely excursions without the need for frequent recharging. Experience the future of portable scooter technology with our Smart App Control feature. Remotely lock and unlock your scooter, adjust lighting, activate cruise control, customize ride modes, monitor battery levels, and track your mileage all from your smartphone. This level of convenience is unmatched for modern commuters and adventure seekers alike. The integrated 350W brushless motor effortlessly tackles gradients of up to 20%, allowing you to ascend even steep hills with ease. This motor delivers smooth acceleration and robust performance, making your rides both exhilarating and convenient. Our electric scooter is equipped with an advanced LED display that offers a one-touch solution for controlling lights, selecting ride modes, and displaying crucial information like real-time speed and battery status. This feature keeps you informed and in control at all times, enhancing safety and overall ride enjoyment. Number 4. Megawheels Fast Electric Scooter. The Megawheels electric scooter features a peak 600W high-torque motor and 10.2 Ah big capacity battery, delivering speeds up to 20 miles per hour with a 28 miles long range. Perfect for urban commuting or quick errands. This fast scooter for adults supports riders up to 265 pounds while maintaining smooth acceleration and reliable performance. Dual front suspensions absorb shocks for a smooth ride on rough terrain. The 10-inch vacuum tires enhance wet weather grip, reduce fatigue via vibration dampening, and improve efficiency with low rolling resistance. Adjustable air pressure allows customization, making them ideal for adult e-scooter commuters prioritizing comfort and versatility, despite occasional maintenance needs. Made of aluminum alloy frame and tested by stringent durability testing, this electric scooter for adults is built to last, proven through thousands of miles of simulated random vibrations and numerous suspension durability cycles. Tested and certified by UL 2272, the adult electric scooter is equipped with high-visibility headlight, taillights and turn signal lights. Ensures you stay seen and secure, even at night. Combined a drum brake plus ABS anti-lock, braking for smooth, controlled stops. Number 5. Mega Wheels Electric Scooter. Powered by a high-performance 21.6V 10.2Ah battery. This Mega Wheels e-scooter for adults delivers an impressive range of up to 19 miles on a single charge. Whether you're commuting daily or exploring on weekends, the extended range ensures you stay powered up. This fast electric scooter with 350W powerful motor can easily climb slopes up to 15%. Choose from 3 speed modes: 3.7 miles per hour, 9.3 miles per hour, and 15 miles per hour. To match your riding style, and you can see the scooter's current speed in the LED display panel clearly. The front suspension system effectively absorbs shocks and vibrations from uneven surfaces, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride even on bumpy roads with this e-scooter. The electric scooter features 10-inch vacuum tires that offer excellent grip, stability, and high puncture resistance. In city traffic, they grip well on smooth streets and stay stable at high speeds. The tread pattern prevents skids, letting you take sharp turns safely.